Microsoft Excel has many depreciation functions. How can you decide which method of depreciation is most appropriate for your company to calculate depreciation of assets? Tax laws allow different depreciation methods for different kinds of assets and different situations. But you should choose most accurate method of depreciation that calculate the value of your company asset. In income statement, depreciation value of an asset is subtracted to the company earnings. In the early years, asset is losing its value with the high rate of depreciation. When the value of depreciation is high, it shows that the company is less profitable. When company is less profitable, it will pay low percentage of tax. On the other way, the value of depreciation is smaller in the later years. As a result, company will pay high percentage of tax because in later years the company is more profitable. So I recommend before using the method of depreciation, first contact the tax consultant who is fully know the tax laws and aware of the financial issues. Tax laws of every country are different. First read the rules and laws about tax of your country, then use the most appropriate method of depreciation to calculate the value of asset for your company.